Our project name is Smart Wallet for Blind People. As we know, blind people have difficulty in identifying currency notes. Here we have a 100 rupees currency note. There are certain marks on it like this, but over the time these marks smooth out, which leads to difficulty in identifying the value of currency notes. So we have designed this smart wallet which can identify the value of currency note, and the output will be in audio format. Now let's check our components. Here we have a color sensor TCS3200, Arduino Nano, MP3 mini player with SD card. The audio files are stored in it, and an array of UV LEDs. Also a speaker. Now we have here three different types of 100 rupees note. This is a real note. This one is a fake note which is used in Monopoly, and this is a Xerox note. Now let's upload the code and test our wallet. So now there is no note present, hence the output is note absent. Now we test this 100 rupees note. Now we test this.
Fake note.
Now we test this Xerox note.
Fake note.
How does this exactly work? We have used color sensor, and each note has distinguished color, hence we can differentiate between them. Now to check whether the note is real or fake, we have used UV LEDs. The speciality of Indian currency note is that they absorb UV light, while the fake ones do not absorb. Hence we can check whether the note is real or fake. Now let's talk about the design of our wallet. We have made this wallet using Switchbox, which is easily available in local hardware store. Also we have used some cardboard and glue gun. This is just a prototype, not a final product. We have designed our final product on Fusion 360. Let's take a look into it. This is our design on Fusion 360. Here you can see there are three sections. This middle one has slot to put note inside it. The UV LEDs will be placed here. The circuit will be placed here along with battery. This is kind of a lock which will slide inside it. Whenever battery runs out, we can remove it by taking this out and put the new battery, and again slide this back into its original position. We are also considering options of rechargeable batteries like LiPo or Li-ion. The design will slightly change for these batteries, but the overall structure will remain the same.